This plant is also known under the name of fiery costus and spiral flag, and it mostly grows in Brazil. This plant can also be found in certain places in India, and it has amazing anti-diabetic properties that have been proven since a long time ago and have been documented as well. It is a plant that grows really fast and has thin leaves. It is a leafy green plant that resembles a herb and looks quite attractive to the eye. It can grow up to 6 inches, and it is a plant that is very popular in the Ayurveda medicine exactly for its abilities to treat diabetes symptoms. This plant has also been used a lot in the past for snake bites, gallbladder issues, gallstones, myoma, and so on. This plant can provide many other benefits to the body other than diabetes prevention and treatment. In order to treat diabetes and prevent it, you can prepare this natural tea out of this plant to reap all the benefits it has to offer. You will need about 10 leaves of Costus Igneus and put them into 1 liter of boiling water. Boil the leaves for a little bit and then remove the pot from heat. Cover it with a lid and let the tea steep overnight. In the morning, strain the mixture and drink the tea 30 minutes before breakfast on an empty stomach. You can drink this amount for several days. Just remember to store the tea in the fridge. Other than the anti-diabetes properties, you will feel a huge difference in the body because of this tea, since it can give you many health benefits that will improve the general health benefits that will improve the general health. It is safe to consume for anybody and has no bad side effects.